Alright guys, we're going to talk about Struppi because there's been some questions, and I'm doing this via mobile instead of my computer, so we'll just have to figure this thing out. Now, he's got 3 ions. He's got a south, a mid, and a north. He's got 2 spiders, and his defensives are 2 maxed out spiders, so they're pulsing 10 rounds. He's got gun damage 15%, and then building walls increase 10% HP, as well as another one is silver, which is maxed out. Building increase 10% HP. So what that means is he's running a defensive blueprint. His watchtower will survive max level nuke. So what you want to do, max range airstrike. And again, we have enough attacks that we can try both strats. There's been talk about taking out both of these ions, the mid and the lower, because they look to be reasonably close enough. I'm not vehemently against that, but I'm more concerned about the spiders because they're pulsing 10 rounds of freeze. And that's going to be very problematic. So if you do the spider strat, you drop your airstrike right on the shield generator. You take out spider, you take out ion, do collateral damage on the death rays, and then you're going to want to try and deploy your troops to take out this spider over here. So you'll initially drop a hero or 2 to take out this rally point on the east side, and then what will be left will likely be this cannon, this gold storage, this Jericho, this watchtower, as well as this spider. His bunkers look to be too far inward, so if you're going to deploy sappers, that's not ill-advised. So you could probably get these special bunkers out by dropping some sappers. I think that would be a good idea. I would try to, if at all possible, don't spawn the clan HQ. It's got a Colossus. It's been problematic. We've done that and kind of got bit by it. So if you're going to drop sappers, drop it from this side, the southwest side, as well as the southeast side. This guy you can trigger easily, so you can gen aggro, drop a bomb, and then drop a nuke. So I would recommend doing the sapper, bomb, nuke in that order. Then I would drop your airstrikes on the shield generator so that you take out the spider as well as the ion station. And then use your heroes to deploy. Drop a Colossus to soak initial damage from the other 2 remaining ion stations. And then after that, you want to try and get your troops to go inward. And I believe it would be gold storage, cannon, watchtower, possibly Jericho, and then spider. So after you drop your first Colossus, after 2 ion strikes, you will need to drop your second Colossus. And again, after that, 2 ion strikes, you need to drop your third, because if at any time the health of your Colossus falls, you're going to be in big trouble, because now they're going to start going after your vortex. And we already know that most of his structures are going to survive a max level nuke. Okay, so I think 3 Colossus, 6 vortexes, possible, and then the rest of the mix is between sappers and bombs. You need at least, I actually think you need at least 10 bombs. So whatever the difference is, maybe 2 sappers and the rest bombs, 6 vortexes and 3 Colossus. Use your clan troops, ask for a Colossus, and then try that. That's for the spider strat. So if we try a spider strat and it doesn't work, we'll revisit and we'll explore plan B, which would be the double ion strat of taking out the ions and then trying to deploy your troops to go after either the 3rd ion or the other spider rounds. All right, so I'm going to close shop here and I'll push this to the tube, and good luck.